Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to understand the application for adjournment. We are going to understand the format. In this video we will discuss this simple format. Alright, every fresher advocate should know. Alright, you can download this format for free. Link is given in the description box. Alright, so let us understand this. Let us take an example first. Let's say there are two parties, A and B. A has filed a suit against B. Alright, and here B is defendant, A is plaintiff. The one who files the suit is called plaintiff, and the one against whom the suit has been filed is defendant. Alright, so A has filed a suit against B. Here now let us consider in the example that B wants to file an application for adjournment. Alright, let's say if A files a civil suit in a court has fixed a date for hearing, and on that day B cannot attend the court. Reason being, we can consider that suddenly, unfortunately, B has undergone an accident, because of which he is unable to attend the court. So for that purpose he wants to file an application for adjournment. Alright, so let us see this format. So as I have said, you have to mention the court. I have written here civil judge. Reason being, we are filing this application for adjournment in a civil court. Alright, so you have to mention the name here, the designation of the judge at which you are filing the application for adjournment. Then you have to mention here the place. Alright, suit number, you have to mention the suit number as well. Here you have to mention the party who is the plaintiff. So you have to mention the name, son of, residence of. Right hand side you have to mention that party is plaintiff, versus you have to mention the details of defendant in the same manner. Name of defendant, alright, son of, residence of. So I have taken the example that plaintiff is A and defendant is B. Alright, then you have to mention here the topic of your application, and that is adjournment. Alright, you have to mention here application for adjournment. Now here are points that you have to mention. The defendant above named submitted this application praying. What defendant has prayed? These points. That plaintiff has filed the present against the defendant. Here present represent the civil suit. So plaintiff has filed the present civil suit against defendant for what? For declaration and temporary injunction. You can change this according to your own needs. Alright. Second point, the defendant has already submitted a written statement. So defendant is just showing that he has already submitted written statement here with the, alright, he has submitted written statement in the suit. Now the matter has been, that the said matter has today, you have to mention the date and year, been fixed for recording evidence. You can also mention any other stage at which you are seeking the adjournment. Alright, and you have to file this adjournment at that time when the hearing is to be conducted. So here, that is why we are mentioning the date on which the court is hearing the matter for recording of evidence. Alright, now what is the reason? You have to mention the reason as well. The reason is that the defendant had made an accident. You have to mention the date, and is still bedridden. That means the doctor has advised him to take sufficient rest for speedy recovery. All right, and it will not be possible for defendant to remain in court. So because of that, he cannot attend the court. Basically, they are showing the reason here. All right, as well as during the next one fortnight. All right, you can also mention some other days, or 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You can also mention that the bed rest has been given for certain period of time. All right, and for that you are seeking adjournment. Now the fifth point is, in the circumstances as you have discussed above, it is prayed, you are requesting court. All right, for what? To provide you next suitable date of hearing at which you can appear. All right, so basically this is a very simple basic format. You can also download this, link is in the description box. All right, it is for the free. Now left hand side you have to mention the place at which the court is hearing the matter, and the date at which the signature has been made, signature of party as well as advocate. All right, so these things you have to understand. This you can also change according to your own criteria. All right, you can add certain points, you can add certain other reasons that you think suitable for adjournment. All right, this is a very simple format. Every fresher advocate should know about this. You can also subscribe this channel, share with your friends. We will meet in another video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you very much.